5 fall fashion trends for 2024 that are all about luxurious fabrics, bold silhouettes, and cozy vibes. This season's fall trends are more like staples rather than trends, and I'm going to walk through my favorite pieces that I believe every woman should own. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Faye and I make videos about my love for handbags, fashion, beauty, and my life in Stockholm. And today I'm so excited to talk about the fashion trends that are about to take over in 2024. If you love to be in trend yet want to stick with classy pieces and invest in staples, then you are going to love this list because this year's fall trends are more classic rather than trendy, and I have chosen my 5 favorite ones. So grab a cozy blanket and a cup of tea or coffee and let's dive right in. First up is earthy tones and rich neutrals. Every fall we see a shift toward those warm, grounded colors like burnt sienna, olive green, and soft camel. And this year, brands like The Row are absolutely nailing it with their elegant neutral palettes. And if we take a look at Toteme and COS, I think that they are doing such a beautiful job of creating knitwears and outerwear in these tones. Their cashmere and wool pieces feel luxurious, and I've been loving the feel of them. A staple to incorporate this trend is with a slightly oversized jumper in a neutral color, and I prefer to invest in 100% cashmere or in soft wool because I think it is often warmer and lighter and does not feel itchy toward your skin. The kind of material to avoid is mohair though, because don't make the mistake that I did when buying a jumper in that material. I once bought a 100% mohair jumper and never wore it because my whole body always felt itchy while wearing it. So that was basically €200 money wasted. And if you are looking for something more edgy and special, then I would say that Toteme is rocking it this fall with this jumper with the inbuilt scarf detail. I love this design so much and the material feels so cozy, and I predict that it will be the new it item to own this fall and winter because I've already seen lots of brands starting to copying it. And for a less pricey option, but still good quality, I would choose the cashmere jumper from COS. This style is more modern and it is more thick than, for instance, Uniqlo's cashmere jumpers. And I feel that it is for sure a great investment and you get good value for money. And next trend I would like to talk about is oversized outerwear. It is still going strong and I'm not mad about it. Big bold coats are such a statement for fall. And Acne is really leading this trend with their modern oversized coats and creative outerwear silhouettes. And it's a bit dramatic but still wearable. And for petite frames like mine, I love to use a belt because it gives more of a feminine look. And I won't drown in the oversized look. And my favorite way to incorporate this trend as a staple is through a good, classy, high-quality coat. I think that once you buy one that suits your skin tone and your body type, you will use it for years. And this is also something that instantly elevates your appearance. It doesn't matter if you wear yoga pants under, but you will still look stylish and like you own $1 million. So for me, my favorite brand for this is Max Mara, because they have this brushed wool coats that are so stylish and timeless, and they're just so soft and elegant, and when you slip one on it feels like you're being hugged by a cloud. And often you can also find great deals during seasonal sales with up to 50% discount. I also love one of my all-time favorite staples, an oversized wool coat by Viktoria Chan, and I think that what's important for me, who's living in Stockholm, when the winter season is extra long, as it is here, it's so important for me to choose a jacket that is in 100% wool or cashmere, as the season for wearing it otherwise gets way too short. But if you live in Southern Europe, that might not be a problem to buy a coat that is a bit thinner and in another material. And now for all my minimalists out there, you are going to love this because minimalist tailoring is back. We are seeing clean lines and sharp tailoring everywhere, and I personally love how effortless it feels. And one of my favorite Swedish mid-luxury brands, Filippa K, is really excelling here, creating refined, tailored pieces that are also eco-conscious. And steel grey is also a color that is a big color trend this season. For me, I've had different suits through the years, but the only set that I have been feeling is super comfy yet stylish is my set from Viktoria Chan. And trust me, a good fit just changes everything. And the best thing is that the material on this suit is so soft and it stays structured in the design without me having to iron it. And that's the best thing because I'm so lazy. I love accessories, and a fall wardrobe wouldn't be complete without a scarf. So let's talk about the statement scarves, because this fall is all about wrapping yourself in oversized chunky scarves. And for me, Toteme makes the most incredible wool scarves. They are super soft, and when you wear one, it feels like pure luxury. And I've been using mine in the beige brown color for more than 5 years now. It is an all year round piece that is so easy to style since it is in a more neutral color. It is dark beige in one side and light beige on the other side, and I use it outside my coats, wrapping it around in different ways on cold days. I also often wear it in the office during summer or spring, and it is the perfect piece to bring when traveling. I love to bring it on airplane as well, as it both look chic and is practical. But if you want something more playful or bold, especially if you want to spice up your outfit, then I would recommend to invest in a Hermes scarf. And their scarves are often with big patterned and add a fun pop to any outfit. And honestly, scarves are the easiest way to elevate your fall look. I did some research on colors that are most trendy during the season. Color trends move more slowly compared to other trends, because I guess there's only a finite amount of them, so they tend to have a longer lifespan than individual pieces. And fashion is cyclical, and color trends have a tendency to come back around rather quickly. I searched through thousands of runway looks, and out of them all, I can confidently say that 2024's color palette centers around pale blue, orange, steel gray, cherry red, and chocolate brown, as well as pistachio green and khaki. So if you want to quickly elevate your look, choosing a scarf that incorporates any of these colors and wear it with a simple outfit that matches with the scarf is a very good idea. Last but definitely not least, chunky boots or loafers. Rugged, bold, and functional. Prada has been doing some really striking takes on the chunky boot with sleek, polished designs and exaggerated soles, and they are the perfect mix of high fashion and practicality. I love my Prada chunky loafers as they are so high quality, practical, and makes a statement when wearing them. And it took a while though before they felt comfortable enough to wear for full days out. I have used them for 2 to 3 years in a row now for every fall and winter, and I always get lots of compliments whenever I wear them out. So I highly recommend to invest in a pair of really nice chunky boots. And there you have it, 5 fall fashion trends for 2024 that are all about luxurious fabrics, bold silhouettes, and cozy vibes. Let me know in the comments which trendy staples you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this video and want to get more tips and reviews on fashion and luxury and join me in my life here in Stockholm, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!